Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi camera. In this video I'll show you how to schedule home surveillance. In the beginning, let's go to Xiaomi Home app. Select surveillance from the main menu. Here you can find surveillance recordings. Next, let's go to settings and go to home surveillance settings. Switch this button to enable this function. Now you can set up alarm interval, you can enable detection push notifications, and adjust event notification type. In the end, you can switch surveillance mode between 24-hour, daytime, nighttime, or customized schedule, start time and end time. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.